What is going on, guys? We have the Neuweiler Brewing Company. It's an abandoned site right here. It was built in 1911 through 1913. Abandoned in 1968. So we're gonna check it out. This place is sketchy. Let's take a look inside. So yeah, guys, one thing that drew me to this place is just the architecture here. It's phenomenal. It's crazy looking. Like, it's just old school. Like, look at that railing right there. It's just amazing. A lot of brickwork. I believe so, yeah. Boilers. Dude, that leads to nowhere, man.
Yeah, I know.
Leads to death. Screw that.
That's just the floor pan.
Sketchy stairs. Dawson's telling me this looks cool over here. Almost look like pipe organs over here. Pretty much making beer, it's like a whole process on it, but to sum it up, it's pretty much just like all the crops will just like break down in a container, you know, you cook it up, and enzymes turn to sugar, and then you add yeast to it, and then you store it away for a little while, and then you get beer. So this whole process was done over here. It's quite insane, like, just looking at it, quite amazing. So in this room there is a basement level. Might check that out last. I'll just leave the basements for last. But let's go in here. Photo shoot. Do a little photo shoot over here. Wow, look at that. So this place pretty much closed down because national competition of like all the other beers, the big companies just took over, and this place kind of just sits, closed down. Kind of sad. It kind of happens to smaller companies. It's always the competition. But local beers are kind of making a way back. So there is hope. I believe someone bought the formula for their beer recipe. So you may see it around. This is insane. This floor is all brick. Guys made it up. Looks interesting, right? You see like circles in the ceiling. That's pretty much where the tanks, I would guess, would be. Yeah, guys, this is the office room that's right on the corner. The part that's surrounded by granite. As you can see in this part of the building, it's so elegant in here. Like, I just love seeing that. Something you don't see in a modern building nowadays. Just the detail on the wood. Tall ceiling, like, this was as fancy as it gets over here. Guys, this is a pretty awesome find right here, right in the ground. See a little plaque that says purity down into the ground.
You can see there's two counters here. There's one there, one right behind Taylor. These were your windows. Then there was a stairwell there, which not there anymore, but
Guys, right as soon as you walk in, this is the main entrance to this building right here that you can see from the street. The granite building, that's right on the corner. You walk in and you see all this. It's pretty neat. There's a couple hoppers over here. I believe this was an elevator. Kind of looks like it. I see cables running up and down. Another stair set. Oh yeah, that's nice. Looks like it's about full.
stick close to you because you got the light that's blinding the camera right now.
Dude, look at this view out here. We just walked into like a big room right here, big warehouse, probably where they bottled it or just kept the beer. Our materials.
Catwalk right now.
Yeah, this one is a little off. It's a little crooked. Just gonna continue over here. It's kind of like another warehouse. All right, heading up. See how it looks. Wow. It's amazing. Check out that mechanism right there. Must have been a huge tank over here. This mechanism right here will mix it up. That's all that's left. That's the top area of the office building. I don't think I'm gonna go in there. I don't trust that floor. This I trust. That's brick. Can't mess with brick. What is that?
It's a safe.
Is that a safe?
Yeah. It's right.
That's heavy duty. Seems like somebody opened it up though. Sorry, Taylor. I scared the hell out of you. Oh yeah, you're right. That is flooded. Yeah, guys, nobody told us in the brochure that the pool is on the 5th floor.
You know, rooftop pool. You think it's got a receding roof?
No, but for real, guys, this is because there's a leak right there. Whoa. Wow, look at this room. Look at the glass on top of there. There it is. The tip of it. Oh man. Guys, I made it to the rooftop. It's beautiful. Oh, this thing has a full crack. It's pretty serious. It's raining, there's probably no... Oh, he made it. I just realized. Oh, he's coming. Oh, guys, yes. At least if I get over here, I'll be happy. Maybe if I get on top of this.
Climb on top?
And I just take a nice picture of it or something. Kind of reminds me of like a platforming game.
Why are you climbing that?
So you get to the top.
Oh my god, I am not going to the top.
Whoa.
Yeah.
It's fucked up.
That steel is half rotten right halfway through. Don't jiggle it too much.
Don't jiggle it. Just grab onto the edge of your feet.
Nothing here is sturdy.
My question is, why is he saying trying to walk across that? I'm not cool with that.
pretty much reached the highest point that I feel comfortable with. Look at that. That's the tip of it right there. I don't trust that roof, so I wouldn't go up there. This was an insane adventure trying to get to the top of this place. I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope you enjoyed this exploration of the Neuweiler Brewery. Crazy spot, dangerous. Don't come here. Make sure you subscribe. We always go on adventures like this all the time. Also, put a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this place. Make sure you give it a like if you think this is cool. And if you're new around here, I'm Marty. This is Marty on the Move. And we're always exploring some crazy places. All right, guys, I'll catch you later. I'll see you on my next adventure. Peace.